shot clock.
Oh!
Good shot. Another shot.
Ay! Shot! Wala! Sabi na wala eh.
And a free foul on red for Central Luzon.
Ay!
Tie break is 2-1, brother. 2-1. Favor of the red shirts. Green foul. They push tayo doon on green. Foul on green. Losing the basketball. Green basketball. Ball. And please be reminded po, please be reminded again, wala po tayong remote coaching. Mag-cheer lang po tayo. Wala pong remote coaching. Thank you very much po. More basketball. Ito na, makakaka si Kuya. Libre. 6 seconds on the shot clock. 6 seconds to shoot. Outside shot. Good D for one. And of course, our technical officers are keenly watching this movie. Other than that, 2 points. Number 11, shake it bait. Number 11, Julia. Down basketball. Watch out. 13 foul. 13 foul. That was good. Collect. Eye in the sky. Huli ka po, tataka dyan kay Kuya. 8 minutes remaining.
Open! Open! Huli! Huli! Open!
Lara, 11.
Open!
Stepping in the gas. Definitely a 3 foul there for North. 7:47, second team foul, second.
Mumeng! Shoot yan! Ay! Shoot nga! Shoot nga!
6-2. Clara.
Score! Tumangko tayo.
7 on shot.
Hula!
At bago yun, hampas tayo. 3 foul. Foul at Clara. 14 foul. 14.
Ah, wala! Hula! Hula!
Hula. Shot clock at 12.
Open! Open!
Alliance. Casey. Short. Michael Vega loose ball hits. Clara basketball. And we have a booster. Foul on 3. 13 foul. 17. 5-point advantage here for the Rangers. 8 on the shot clock.
Set! Shot!
Walang kumuha. He makes it pass. And he will do the big foot line. Ball on 3. 14 foul.
Shoot mo yan! Five pilay ka. Okay! Okay, shoot! Nice! Wala, wala! Huli!
Sir, miscommunication there. Sana Gar with 6 minutes and 56 seconds. Official score 8-2. Walo. Ilan na sa dalawa? Balik tayo sa aksyon, balik tayo sa mga dito sa SMC Dalawan para sa ating palaro mo at sa Grade 3 Secondary Basketball Quarter Final.
Open! Open!
8 of the shots.
Open! Shoot! Ay!
Tinamaan yung shooting hand. That is a clear foul. Good call. 15 foul. 15 foul.
Ayan, shoot kami! Shoot yan! Ay!
Following the ball, at may bump tayo doon. Foul on green. 16 foul. 16 foul. 8-2.
Nanonood ako eh. Watch ka na lang, watch ka.
Big man lineup for
Shoot!
Osaguara. Shot for Clara.
Huli! Huli!
Two-point shot.
Open! Open!
Awayan.
Push it! Nice!
Awayan for an easy basket. 10-6.
Huli! Open! Open! Shoot!
Short by one. Outside shot for the big man. Ilan by shot. Less than 6 minutes to play. 5 and 48. 10-5. 5 puntos.
Open!
Awayan to the cutting number 6. Good be. Gandang depensa naman. Huling-huling ka ng kalor.
Huli! Huli!
And it's good for time. 10-6. 5 and 30. Short. Clara basketball.
Shoot!
Green basketball. Still a lot of time. Matagal pa yan, Rhea.
Huli!
And the basket is good. Ball on red. 15 foul. How many scores?
Ah!
10-7.
10-7. Wala!
Short tayo dyan. Clara basketball. Ito na. From downtown. Tahoe. 12-7.
Wala! Wala!
May tulang tayo doon. 16 foul.
Papa!
Ala.
Huli!
No posting is the big man. He takes the fires and he will connect. Unstoppable ito si Malaki ha. Kusay namin. Tingnan natin. Clara basketball. Short tayo dyan. Yes, basket. 12-9. And we have another game again. Basket. Awaya. Turnover.
Aso!
4 minutes and 16.
Open!
More than 30. Ligo si Kuya.
Nice!
Easy basket. Ayun, sabi nga ng mga Ilocano, agile ay. Yun lang. 4 minutes and 5 seconds. 49. Awayan. Sabag na Tigil! Dire-dire siya puntusan dito ng Mr. Awayan. Sa labas, tumigata. Palm basketball. In it,
49.
Clara, 59. Anim na puntos. Kalahati kasi ng kalamangan dito ng mga nakapula.
Open!
High post play. Umingo, pinili. Punata ka dyan, kuya. 3.6 remaining sa ating shot clock. 3.6. Awaya from downtown. Malabo. Malayo again. Awaya again takes. Awaya attacks. Boom! Attack again. Return to center tayo dyan. Good D for number 3. Huli ka. Bangka. 3 and 37. 3 minutes and 37. 7 seconds on the shot clock. 7 to shoot.
CJ! Para mo rin!
Arm basketball. Number 1.
Kuya!
Nakawala si Kuya. Good. 50-10.
Shot!
Huli ka.
Partida pa.
Asa shot.
Ako!
Basket. 16 11. 3 minutes.
Shot!
And that basket is good. Everyone play. Foul and one.
Jay! Shoot mo,
Basket is
Jay!
good. 2 shots.
Oh!
17 foul. Get ready for second Barricade semi-final game between Soc Sergeant versus Claraa. Dress up na po tayo mga ate.
Nice!
This is good.
Meron pang laro sa'yo pang Pa, Jay!
From City of San Jose del Monte pala ito sana.
Oh! Wala!
Bar basketball. One top. Wala. 8 on the shot clock. Huli ka. 2 and 37.
Yan! Open!
8 and 7 on the shot clock.
Patay na.
Bumig! Nice!
Fly high, butterfly. 2 minutes and 30.
Wala!
Ala.
Wow, masakit yan. Tres!
2 and 20. Back.
Shoot!
Press. 12. Short tayo dyan. 2 minutes and 30. 19-11. Short tayo dyan. And the basket is good. May pasimpleng match ito si numero 12. Kita-kita ng ating mga technical officials yan from Region 4A and from Western Visayas.
Layo.
17 foul. 17 foul. Sabi nga nila, the battle is not yet over. Mahaba pa yan. Tandaan po natin, sinakop po tayo ng mga apo. 3 years. Natalo pa sila. 1942 to 1945. Talo pa sila.
Dito kang...
At ito, Steel Clara basketball. And get ready for the last 2 minutes. 1914. One on the shot clock. 150.
Yeah!
Pinipilit ni Kuya. Losing the basketball. Doon sa may baseline.
Kala mo ha.
Ito mo shot clock.
Goodbye na.
Ball rips out. Ito mo shot clock.
Wala pa.
Napakasalutin mo ang Kuya. Finally, a basket. 15-19, 120. Not shot over. Final shot clock. Outside shot. Short. Clara basketball. Laren. Short. Buhay pa din tayo. Sa labas. Tingnan natin. That is good. Laren. Zigzagging inside. Bounce pass. Substitution. 3 on the shot clock. 3 seconds on the shot clock. 49 seconds on the game clock. 19-15. Clara. Awayan. Sana. Clara. Baka maubos na yung team ni ate. Marami pa po yan. We have 46 seconds to go. 46 seconds. Dress up. Secondary goes past the door. First semi-final match between Sok Sargent and Clara. Pero after the game of NCR, kuya, nakatapos na yun. Relax. Sa ilalim ulit.
Uy!
Pinara ko na. 25 seconds. Baba the shot clock. 3.7 remaining. 3.7 remaining. 28 seconds. Laren.
Talo.
17-19. 15 seconds. Attack. Second of the shot clock. Goal toss. 5 seconds. Shot Island. 2 seconds. We still have 1 second to go. Substituted. 1 second. 19-17. Warning on farm for delaying the game. 2/10 of a seconds. 2/10 of a seconds. Sa tiro mo ko, catch and shoot na lang tayo. And congratulations to Division 3 winning over Team Car. Congratulations po to the